स्विमींग स्पोर्ट्स वो हाय प्रायोरिटी स्पोर्ट्स आणि खास करून गोंयकारांच्या वतीन आणि ऑलमोस्ट भारतीयच्या वतीन बरेचसे जे स्विमर्स जे असतात ते नॉट ओन्ली स्टेटाक रिप्रेझेंट किंवा बरेचसे इंटरनॅशनल स्विमर्स आज गोंय आणि भारतीयान आज प्रोडक्ट तयार केल्ले आसात. ह्या दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान आमचे सगळे जे मेन जे ऑर्गनायझर्स जे असतात DOC म्हणून नका डायरेक्टर ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन फेडरेशन्स जे आज कितले वर्सां जे सांबाळतात त्यांचो अनुभव जो आसा तो आमच्या खातीर खूब मोठो आसा आणि त्यांच्या अनुभवातल्या माध्यमांतल्यानूच दे हॅव गायडेड अस एज एंड वेन देर गायडन्स इज रिक्वायर्ड. As per their satisfaction, as per my knowledge, we have all set to host these 37 national games as far as swimming discipline is concerned. Tomorrow sharp at 8 AM, we are going to inaugurate our first match game at this same venue, and then after by another 5 days of time, entire swimming games will be completed, and at that time, I am satisfied or not. After 5 days, I am going to give the answer. But as of now, every preparations and readiness is already been taken place. My venue commandant is in the command to take every decisions. Whatever the shortfalls were there, we have just given a directions to all the agencies which are already on board. But we will see that there is no space will be given to anyone to speak against this 37 national game. That is our challenge, and that is our that gap we are going to maintain.
So your
game swimming events, and main pool is ready, the warm-up pool is ready, and diving pool is also now ready for the show. And hopefully from tomorrow morning we are starting the event. It will be a grand show of swimming event.
So as promised by the ministers, facilities are all in place.
I think it is in all in good shape and all in order. So we will be able to conduct in a best manner. We'll try to do it on the pattern of World Championship.
Okay.
Sunil Choksi, I'm the secretary for the Swimming Federation of India.
So आप facilities के बारे में और जो inspection minister ने किया उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हो सर? How do you see all
मेरा
this?
तो ये कहना है कि इतना पर्सनल इन्वॉल्वमेंट स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर जिस स्टेट में लेते हैं उस स्टेट में स्पोर्ट्स के तो अच्छा ही होने वाला है, और ये गेम्स का तो डेफिनेटली ही हैज़ गिवन लॉट ऑफ पर्सनल अटेंशन. I have visited multiple times and I know that how much personally he is taking interest in smallest of detail, from kitting to venues to how the games will be conducted. So it is excellent. In terms of infrastructure at the pool, everything is good class, and we are sure that we can conduct the competitions at, Nanavati sir mentioned, at a world class level.